Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Michelle. I am your teacher today.
And I am Mark. I am learning English. I am happy to be here.
Today, we talk about daily activities. Daily activities are the things we do every day. We wake up, we eat, we go to school or work.
Yes, and good for beginners.
Let's start slowly. I will say a sentence, then Mark will repeat. Listeners can repeat with him at home. Now let's get started. I wake up.
I wake up.
Great! Listeners, repeat. I wake up. After I wake up, I get up.
I get up.
Now let's put them together. I wake up. I get up.
I wake up. I get up.
Nice job. Very good. Next, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
These are morning activities. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, wash my face.
Yes, all morning activities. Easy.
Now I ask you, Mark, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Very good. After that, I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I drink water.
I drink water.
Now let's talk about going to school or going to work. I go to school.
I go to school.
I go to work.
I go to work.
If you are a student, you say, I go to school. If you have a job, you say, I go to work.
I am a student, so I say, I go to school.
Yes, very good. At school or work, we do many things. We study, we read, we write, we speak. I study.
I study.
I read.
I read.
I write.
I write.
I speak.
I speak.
Very good. Now, Mark, can you say 4 activities you do at school?
I study. I read. I write. I speak.
Perfect. Now, after school, we go home.
I go home.
At home, we say, I rest.
I rest.
We also play. So say, I play.
I play.
And we have dinner. So say, I have dinner.
I have dinner.
Now let's add more daily activities. I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I do homework.
I do homework.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
Nice job. These are very common daily activities.
Yes, very common and very useful.
Yes. Now let's talk about ending the day. At night, I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I sleep.
I sleep.
So the night routine is go to bed and sleep.
That is very easy to remember.
Yes, very easy. Now, Mark, can you tell us your daily activities from morning to night, slowly, step by step?
Yes, I try. In the morning, I wake up. I get up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have breakfast. I drink water. Then I go to school. I study. I read. I write. I speak. In the afternoon, I go home. I rest. I play. In the evening, I watch TV. I listen to music. I do homework. At night, I go to bed. I sleep.
Great job, Mark. Very clear, very simple, very easy English. Now, listeners, it is your turn. Say your daily activities. You can say them out loud. Great! You did a wonderful job today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Keep practicing every day.
See you next time, everyone. Bye!
Bye!